2014 Chevy Impala LTZ rear coil springs. So I had the tire off. You don't really need to, but I have it off anyway. So what you want to do is you want to jack up and support the lower control arm right here. And you want to remove this bolt, which is an 18 bolt and an 18 nut. You want to remove that. And then you want to relieve the tension of the control arm of the spring. Okay, the bolt threaded right out. Now what I'll do is I'll raise the vehicle up and release the pressure of the coil spring. All right, I'll pull my stand out of the way, and then I'll pull my control arm down, and I'll hold on to the spring, and I can take it out of there. All right, here's the spring and the two insulators, all right? All from Amazon. That's the spring part number, okay? So now I'm gonna pull that control arm down and put this up in there. It goes in between those little things sticking out. All right, it's in there on the top and it's kind of in the bottom. I'll put some lube on it so it doesn't tear it. And then I'll push up on my control arm. Okay, turn the jack up, lowered the vehicle down a little bit. Pretty darn close. Just got to center it a little bit. Get the bolt in there, get it started. Punch it through the other side, put the nut on, and then jack it up even higher. Get it right height, and then tighten it for the bushing. All right. Bolt is in there, bolt is tight. Springs in there, insulators are in there. Now I can go ahead and release my tension. Pretty much had it at right height as close as I can get it. And torqued it to 120 foot-pounds. And I'll go do the other side. So, the other side is exactly the same way. So, do it the same way you did this side. And then, if you took your tires off, make sure you put them back on and torque them to 140 foot-pounds, and that'll be it. And that's how you do your rear coil springs. Hopefully I helped you out, and hopefully you can help me out. All right? By subscribing to me, and I appreciate it. Thank you.